Welcome back. Today, discover how to turn your smartphone into a cash machine in Uganda. Yes, your phone can generate income online. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. If you can type, design, or translate Luganda to English, you can earn money. Use Fiverr or Upwork on your phone. Create a free account, showcase your skills, and get paid by clients worldwide. Next, leverage social media. Many Ugandan businesses pay for ad posts on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Manage business pages or become a content creator. Viral videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts can earn you money too. Number 3. Online surveys and reward apps. Platforms like YSense, Toloka, or Swagbucks pay for small tasks. Watch videos, answer surveys, or click links, all from your smartphone. No laptop needed. Number 4. Sell products online. Snap photos with your phone and list them on Gigi or Facebook Marketplace. Sell anything from shoes to clothes. Consider drop shipping, allowing you to sell without holding stock. So, stop scrolling aimlessly. Your smartphone can be a cash machine. Just start. Stay consistent, use data wisely, and keep learning. Like, comment, and share if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.